Okay. Once again, I am laughing at myself. Not only, I think I'm on take number 4, but the last one I had to redo because I hit the wrong button and the video started to make itself right in the middle of it. Okay, so let's talk about what went on in today's session relative to what I was talking about last night. If you remember, I had highlighted a triangle pattern which was building yesterday, the 14th, and we'll just talk about what happened today. Today was a rather unique day in that the market just didn't really go much of anywhere. You can see here the overall range for today was very, very small. So I do want to say this, and let's focus on the daily bars here. When you see multiple days start to string together that have a very small range compared to the average, and remember the average on the British pound is about 140 pips from high to low, as that starts to shrink down, we've got to start waiting and expecting a trending kind of day. In other words, if this thing breaks to the downside or it breaks to the upside, we will more than likely see that it will continue moving. So we've got to start expecting some momentum here. But let's get to today. The first breakout that happened was very early in the session. In fact, let's just go over here to the 15-minute bar. This happened right at 2 o'clock in the morning. It happened really, really fast, and there wasn't any confirmation. So this type of trade is difficult for really anyone to take advantage of, unless you're more of a gambler. I mean, if you're just looking to roll the dice, I'd suggest you go to Vegas, not use the Forex market. So that one, even though the possibility was there, I'm not really counting that as a viable trade. It was just too tough to get. The second trade, though, was a bit easier. You can see that the market pushed its way up, and it gave us this little dipper here where it pushed back down, retesting support. And you can see that the market very quickly gave about 58 points worth of a move before finally coming back down and then coming into some sideways action. So there was about 58 points, or 58 pips rather, by about 4 o'clock in the morning Eastern Standard Time. Then coming into 6 a.m., the pound got into this sideways action. It threw off a nice 3-bar reversal. The reason why I don't like this trade very much either has to do with the risk versus reward.